So hello guys, I'm your host back once again new video. So today I'm gonna show you how you can download Panda helper for free, and it has been resigned again now. So quickly, after watching the video, so quickly go and follow the steps and download Panda helper and get big apps and games for free because it has been resigned again. So let's get into the video. So first of all, you are gonna go to Safari. The link would be given in the description. You're gonna come to this page, pandahelperlite.com. The link would also be given in the description. After that, here are some apps which has been re-signed again, which include CoinMaster, Spotify plus plus, WhatsApp plus plus, Clash of Clans, Fortnite, Last Day on Earth, YouTube plus plus, Heyday, Tinder plus plus, Kim Kardashian, etc. These has been and here you can see that private certificate less revokes. So let's download Clash of Clans. Just press install without clone, and still install free version, and just wait a second for it. And here you go. Would like to install Clash of Clans less revoke. After clicking install, please return to the home to check the progress. Press install, and after that just come to the home screen and just wait a second. It would be showed up here. Let's wait for it. Here you go. Clash of Clans is just going to be installed. When it is installed, we will come back into the video. So here, yes, I want to update you guys as well that when just look at the private certificate less revokes. Here it says that use private certificate, which means that when most of the other apps are revoked, these apps will still be available. If these apps are revoked, it will be fixed within 24 hours because it uses very expensive services. It costs about $100 etc. So as you can see, Clash of Clans has been downloaded. Just press on it. It would say untrusted enterprise developer. Just the quick solution for it, to go to general, go to device management, and here as you can see, just press trust again, and it has been verified. Now you can go to Clash of Clans. So Clash of Clans would like the permission to track outside, ask app not to track, and then so as you can see, Clash of Clans has been downloaded. I just wanted to show you that these are working. So let's download another app as well. So now let's download another app. So let's go for Spotify. Yeah, let's go for Spotify. Yeah, let's go for Spotify. Just press install, and it is installing. Just press install now, and yeah, press again install, and here you go, it is installing. As you could see, when it is installed, we will come back into the video. So as you can see, Spotify has been installed. Yeah, just go to settings, then in settings go to channel, go to channel, in channel go to device management. In device management, just press this, press trust again, and here you go, it has been verified. Now just go to Spotify and just wait a second for it. It would load up now. Yeah, here you go, it has been loaded up. As you can see, free ads, everything, no ads, etc. And as you can, it hasn't been revoked. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video. But please, before ending the video, please like, share, subscribe, and watch it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video. Peace.